Y'all know I love to stay in those travel streets, right? And I do. I always look for my next adventure. I always try to make more memories, and I always try to go solo, of course. Now, my last adventure, my during luggage, my checked-in luggage, yeah, it got lost, and we had to wait for it the next day, but at least they brought it. At least they brought it, you know? But after that, I was like, I'm a little scared to check luggage in. Y'all, I got some new carry-on luggage. So y'all already know I was super happy when Luggex reached out and asked if I wanted to check out their brand new ZX 20-inch all-in-one carry-on. I couldn't wait to see how it compared to the one I've been using. And thank you, Luggex, for sponsoring this video today and sending me this new carry-on to test out. Now, the first thing I noticed about this suitcase, this carry-on, is how sleek it looks. And you know what else? It definitely feels sturdy. It does. And my absolute favorite thing about this is a carry-on. We don't have to check this bad boy in. And this is one of my favorite features, y'all, the front compartment. If you're traveling with a laptop or iPad, you can just grab it without opening your entire suitcase. Look at there. There go my laptop. And you know what? I'd probably put both of them in there just to have it in there. And then we just gonna close it up. Look at there. And then when I need to open it back, let's say I'm in the lounge and I just need to get my computer or my iPad out. Look at there. Easy open. Here's my things. Grab it and go. And then we just close it back up. So easy. Y'all see the security up there too. You can go ahead and put your little code in and lock it up so can't nobody take your stuff. I really love that you don't have to open your whole suitcase to get your computer out, because pulling this thing out at the airport, it's already too busy at the airport to be pulling your whole suitcase out to get your computer. Just pull it up from here. Love that for us. I do. And you know another thing I noticed? How smooth the wheels roll. Look at this, y'all. Now you already know if you're going in the airport, you need a suitcase that's easy to pull. Look at this. It's not turning over or anything. And you already know some of the luggages that we have used before, like as soon as we do that, it's falling over. Not this one. Look how sturdy this is. Love this for us. It's just so easy. And I'm going on the carpet. Look at that transition. You know? I love this. I do. And you know what else? The handles feel sturdy. Look at this. The transition. It's just so easy to just put back down. You're not struggling or anything. Look at this, y'all. Come on now. Let's go. And guess what else it has, y'all? You know how you be in the airport and you have a drink in your hand, you're trying to hold your purse, you're trying to hold your luggage, you're trying to hold all the things? You can have your hands free with this. Look at this. Behind here, you have this button. You push it. What is that? That's for your drink. That's for your drink, y'all. You see it? You see it? It's like this carry-on wants it to be easy for us, and it does. It just seems like the upgraded version, don't it? It does. Now let's take this upstairs and see how much stuff we can pack in it, y'all. We at least want to get a week's worth of stuff right, and we do. Look how smooth it rolls on carpet, y'all. Just unreal. So here is all of the things that I'm going to try to get into that carry-on. Also, y'all see that they have where you can lock it up front where you put the computer and the iPad at? And then also, don't let me forget to tell y'all that you can also lock it over here on the side, and it's TSA approved, so we feel real good about that. It's like they thought of everything, huh? They did. So let's open it up and take a look and see what it looks like on the inside, y'all, because the outside was already impressive. And oh, I didn't tell y'all. Y'all are used to traditional zipper luggage, huh? This is zipperless. This is zipperless, y'all. And you know what? I think zipperless has become my favorite luggage. But anyway, you just click it right here on the side. Click it right here on the other side down here. And look at that. We're opening it up. Y'all want to see it? Well, come down here so I can show y'all. First and foremost, take a look at this side right here. I just love the fact that how secure it is. You see, you can secure all your stuff. They have like a little extra little clip right here. Open that up. Look over here, securing more stuff. I love this for us. It's like they thought of everything. Okay, you see how deep that is? I feel like all of our stuff should be able to fit in here perfectly. And we still got another side, y'all. But before we look on this side, let's take a look at this side though, because you have an extra little zipper, mesh zipper part right here you can put stuff in. And this part comes off. If you come down here, you can see where it unclips at on both sides. And then they have like a little hanger here. You can take this part and put it in the bathroom. Let's say you put all your little bathroom stuff in here. Take this in the bathroom and you can just hang it in the bathroom, and you can use this instead of setting your stuff on the door and sink. And then when you're not using it, you just clip it back in there. And then you come on the other side over here. They have one big zipper, which I feel like is going to be deep under here. But also you can put stuff in this little mesh part, or you can put stuff in this part. I feel like the soap and stuff go right here, y'all, because this is like a little plastic part. So you can put like your soap and stuff up in there, all your bathroom needs in there. So I'm going to zip that back up. But the fact that we have 3 spots we can put stuff in, it's like they thought of everything, because this is a carry-on and we need to maximize our carry-on space, and they maximizing it, y'all. But let's unzip this side. Okay, ooh, that's pretty darn deep. That's pretty darn deep, y'all, for a darn carry-on. Y'all see that? And then you have this side too. I feel real good about it. Now let's see if that's 14 items, y'all. That is 14 clothes, and that is 3 pairs of shoes, including 1 pair of tennis shoes. And then we have like some toiletries and stuff that we're gonna try to pack in here. And we're not even using packing cubes, which we probably will when we use this. But for now, let's just see how much stuff we can put here without the packing cube. So what do y'all want to put on this side? Y'all want to put the clothes on this side, or y'all want to put the clothes on this side? I feel like the shoes and stuff can go on this side. So let's try putting the clothes on this side first. I'm not using any packing cubes or anything. This is 14 things to wear. So we're just going to see how much stuff we can fit in there. Now, I'm going to kind of fold them in half a little bit more, because normally I would probably roll it if I wasn't using packing cubes. So I'm going to roll it up a little bit just to see. And so far, so good. Girl, you ain't even got no structure to it, and it's working out. I feel real good about this. I do. How many do we have so far? 14. I feel like we got 14, y'all. Imagine you not having to check a bag in. All you need to do is have a carry-on where you can just roll your stuff in, or you can just, you know, like use a packing cube or whatever. Them packing cubes really be helping when you're trying to get like more than a week's worth of stuff in there. But this is 2 weeks already. We got 2 weeks already, y'all. Y'all see that? I feel good about it. I do. All we're gonna do now, y'all, is go ahead and clip that's on there, so we'll know, hey, that's gonna stay sturdy. It is. It's already sturdy, y'all. I feel like you can make it tighter with this, but that's tight enough for us. And then we're just gonna clip this side. Got it. This side is already done. And we still have this side to put stuff on, y'all. Let's work with the shoes next. Look at that. Got our shoes in there. And then we can just put all of our little toiletries in here. Feel good about that. I think that's all we gonna get in there, y'all. I think that's all we gonna get in there. We have 2 toiletry bags, 3 pair of shoes. You know what? Let's just add a 3rd one in there. Might as well. I feel like it's gonna work out. Let's zip that up. Look at there. Now, I normally bring my dorm backpack. You see this? I normally bring this with me. I could use this as a purse. I don't have to pack it, but I'm gonna see if this fits on this side, just to see. So I'm just gonna unsnap it here. I'm not even gonna unsnap this part. I'm just gonna put it here, because we need a backpack when we travel, and if it can fit in the dorm carry-on, even better. Less that we have to hold. So I'm just gonna go ahead and snap that back on. Oh, I already feel good about this. We're just gonna see, can we close this up? Are y'all ready to see if we can close it? Well, let's look. Y'all, we got it closed. Look at there. Look at there, y'all. It is closed. Nothing is poking out. We got all of our things in. I feel real good about this, y'all. I do. Let's put our cup back in there. Y'all think we ready for a 2-week trip? Because I do. And let's test this thing out while it's packed, y'all. Is it still smooth? Can we still push it? Look at us gliding on carpet, y'all. Look at us gliding on carpet. It's still easy to pull. If you're looking for a new carry-on, definitely check out the new Luggex ZX 20-inch all-in-one carry-on. Now, I'll have everything linked in my description below. And don't forget, you can save using my code Roseland20 at checkout. And thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hype. And also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Leaving the house sometime before 3. Spark loaded me
We
up.
have to have 1 dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We
road,
have to.
please. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.